Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download AnyDesk. AnyDesk is a remote software program that allows people and teammates to log into your computer via a special ID similar to TeamViewer, Show My PC. First things first, we're going to want to open up our browser. I've got Google open here. We're going to type in the search bar AnyDesk, and the first result, anydesk.com, is the one we're going to want to click on. And here where it says Remote Desktop Software, Anywhere, Anytime, AnyDesk. Right below it, there's a little green button that says Download Now. We're going to click on it one time, and the program's automatically going to start downloading onto our computer. We're going to give it a couple seconds here while it finishes in its computer, so we can go ahead and open it up. Perfect. So bottom left says here it's all ready. We're going to click on it one time. It's going to ask us, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We're going to click yes, and it's going to open up, and this will be the following screen you're going to see. Where it says this desk, this is the ID of your computer, and if you'd like to give this ID to somebody, you just have to give them this. And then if you want to log into your computer and your friend or your colleague sends you their ID, you can just click here where it says Remote Desk, you put in that ID, connect, and it's going to ask you for confirmation on their end, saying this ID wants to log into your computer, confirm or deny. When they click confirm, your screen will pop up over here in front of you, and you'll be able to use or log into their computer and do whatever you need to do. It's a very simple program. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I'm happy to help. Thank you so much, and have a great day.